Hey, shalom, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a blessed day, blessed night, wherever you are in the world. Like I said, we are Journey With Us. We are a family of 6, originally from Columbus, Ohio, but currently we stay in Tanzania and Dar es Salaam. So, today, I wanted to do just a quick video about what we've been noticing. It's nothing bad. We just need a little bit more insight. So if you guys know what's happening, oh yes, I came back here, I saw the avocado. This is an avocado. It was on the ground, so yeah. So don't mind the avocado. It's here. But yeah. So these past, I'd say the past week, no, like real story, no lie. This past week, we noticed that it's 2 birds that likes to come on our back porch, and it's the same 2 birds. I'll show you guys our back porch here. So like say it's the back of our house, but this is the back porch, and here the pillar, they like to come there and chirp. When I say come there, they're there all day. All day they stay there and chirp. The first day I'm thinking, oh, they might be doing some grown stuff, and then a couple hours later they're back just doing the same thing, and soon as we open the door they fly away. So it's hard to get a good look at them. Luckily I have a nice camera where I can zoom in from far away, so I did get some pictures. But like I say, they just keep coming back. At like this morning they were back. Obviously they're not back now because I'm back here, but I definitely try to get a shot so you guys can see the birds. It's beautiful birds. It's like black, yellow, it has some blue in it, some gray. It's beautiful birds. Once I get my camera situated, I will share some pictures. But I was just trying to get more insight on what you guys think about, just birds coming. It really, the birds come here. It's the same 2 birds. They come here and chirp. If we open the door, they fly away. 5 minutes later, they're back. Chirp. So I just wanted you guys to, answer that question. Like, do you guys have any insight? Definitely we looked up, the spiritual meaning and stuff like that of birds. But I just wanted to do a quick video to ask you guys, what did you guys think? So please, comment below and let me know, what do you guys think? So yes, hope everybody's having a blessed day. Just keep going. I know we're in hard times, crazy times, but also we are in awesome times. So just keep pushing, stay humble, stay diligent, stay peaceful, be joyful, and yes, and shalom. So you guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to this video, hit that bell notification so you guys will be updated when we post a video or go live. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I will talk to you guys later. Avocado. All right, so guys, I'm inside right now, right? I'm inside the house, and I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. But those are the birds. So I'm gonna try to open the door. I'm gonna try to open the door now so you guys can see. As soon as I open the door, they usually fly away. So I'm gonna try to be quiet as possible and get a shot for you guys, because these birds, they come here every day. I'm telling you, for the last week. And this is what they do. They just chirp, and that's all. So without further ado, let me try to get this before they fly away.